ችግሮች እዚህ ላይ ልንጠቅሳቸው እንፈቅዳለን።
Since the beginning of modern civilization, generations of witness and inherited the only conflicts of world wars. But behold, the marriage supper of the Lamb and bridegroom unto his bride. Then shall the earth's children know the true expression of one. Then Mother Earth shall honeymoon in peace, forever illuminating aspirations, lust, and anguish of war, and rumors of war.
Check the Prince of Peace. Read all about it. Yeah? Are you ready? Here we go. Hey! Chopino. Young Alphabet, Al Pacino. Drinking Blue Mountain Cappuccino. I said, baby, you are the cleanest. So definition of what the queen is. But the good between us, share the same rule and job with us. Sugar! I'm telling you. Yup! That's real love. That's real true. Yeah? Listen up. Me and she with shampoos a lot. Several mornings she shampoos my lots. All as long as I just stand true to that. Real type of love and thank you for that. One barefoot without no shoes and socks. Cause she keep herself clean and I go catch the rush. When she love me for real, me not feel out no cash. And the inner liquor thing from the splish just splash. Listen, all this blinking is like you forgot. You said they resonated, you recruit a rat. So we listen up the speech of Martin Luther chat. In this broad bad man, you're some super cat. I tell you I'm trying to do this stuff. Cause she down down my strategies and we do this stuff. When I do this stuff, I do this stuff. When I do fight, one fight, two. You get it? I remember when we met and we began dating. Everything was conversation, we began dating. And the women over would she keep it on right. And the chickens are belly full and on up what's scrapings. And the closer we live up, the more she gravitating. Until we buckle down and there is no escaping. Now we typically become an everyday thing. Regularly, physically communicating. Sexually, scientifically penetrating. But that's just how spiritual and resonating. So we don't see us as we are not perfect. She's the only queen that is designated. So we're still in the negotiating. I know it's not only those people concentrating. have me many legs, yo, but I'm a side warrior. Despair, hey, fear and desperation, no depression can't carry ya. Despair, like burning spear and such before I be hard fought for a cause. Despair, I know some in us now on this plane I got friends. When I run rocket, when I run steam, when I run race, when I run rock bends. Got your shit, I ain't get a hand for legs. When I run rocket, Milan, hands up! Hands up to my defense. Hello, my name is my friends. Keep in the turn up, know what you heard, give your friend by the rock friends. When this place start this place, in the fire and I teach your friends. Respect by your members and all of them, everybody will see that I'm singing. When I run rock, when I run race, when I run all the time of years. When I run down and I run feel like when I run down this way. When I got who they are, and I make a touch my hands. This day was a fool that was supposed to stay when I take my serpent. Let's get up this level and aspiration, people won't be dead. I'm getting to bend on those on them, so the spirits are deep and dead. This not down here, this not really deep, I'm running the circle. In a city, them rise, them up, them look like AK-47. Despair. Anytime them bust it up the whole city level. Despair. Like burning spear and such before I be hard fought for the cause and despair. Oh, they can't ignore us. No. You think of that? Can I see all hands up like this one more time, please? All hands up, all hands up. Everybody know, make a fist. One just guy, do this. You gotta like California with sunset boulevard. So I disturb with the Miami. Somebody like New York with the most pretty night. The toughest pretty girl. Every New Year, the African Times Square up. Picture Lagos like Las Vegas. The ballers never fall. I'm cooler like Atlanta. A pure political. Push down scene of Mali. Chicago, we not shot. Magic Kingdom, we not not sing out your back. People live in Morocco, like the state of Maui. I keep your Barack, Arizona. It's a real shot. Running in the class of yoga. But the beach in Senegal. Ethiopia, the capital for the congregation. That's where I belong, not where the king come from. And I see us all in the Jaguars and riding on the king's highway. To the promised land, yeah, you take me to the promised land, yeah, to the promised land, you take me to the promised land, yeah, there's a lot of work to be done, oh gosh, in the promised land. society is love and unity. What else can I do? Police and TV are so loud. Our friends are telling them cool out. Unity, step on the back and start tight. Give me the legends. And we now response when I go left on the line. Milan, let me hear you on this one. Look it out. Beware. The philosophy which whole world is superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited. I also abandoned when everywhere is war. And until the world no longer with first class or second class citizens of any nation. You dig? That until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes, I've got to say why. That until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race. So no more. And until that day, the dream of lasting peace, world citizenship, rule of international morality. The remaining but the fleeting illusion to be pursued as the never ending. Tell me why, everywhere. War in the east, war in the west, the war of north. Oh, now it's sorry. It's a war. I'm gonna tell you who must have war. I'm gonna tell you it's a war. I'm gonna tell you who must have war. That until the ignorant and unhappy regime that all of our brothers in Angola, it Mozambique, to World Africa, such a human bondage, it must be tackled and totally destroyed. For everywhere is war. War in the east, war in the west, war of north, and war of south. Some winning, some losing, some dying, some crying. We're all singing, we don't need no more. I tell you, no more trouble, we don't. Can you tell them we don't want no more trouble? We say, oh, what we need is love. To guide and protect us all. We keep your battle down from above. And do we keep you on struggle? We don't need no trouble. What we need is love. We don't need no more trouble. I tell you, no more trouble. We don't. No more trouble. No more trouble. We say we don't need no trouble. 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 Trouble. We don't need. Me know how you feel it. Everybody know. Sure. Feel it. Are you ready? Are you ready? of the newly born of this man, nutrition. Just as I'm around in the operation, but there's no chance of religion. And the words that I want to religion, everyone has a right to a decision. Submission the people reflect the one. So I write and they must sustain the fact that they're lost, and in darkness beyond. Good to the technique, set the ones. Exodus with the first beyond. But I'm done the coffee, you give up. You are right, like people who went in on it, you are right. So when I show the car, this is true. Who's a pedestrian? My father, father, like father, sugar. And the house, every like a replica. Let's see the hands up one more time. All hands up. Everybody now. Jump. To king and the beat artist there. And then the road about them still out there. Life is a road, so you're driving there. And the great boss got some bad news there. Holy Father, say the atmosphere. Step on the gas and that's not your idea. You should stop fire when you do that there. Some no share and then that's what they're like. Before they make a move on you, they can move and still move on you. Moving things very nice and possible. Watch a move and where you're moving to. Who you're moving to, moving to who. Who's a good move after that you? Who's a hold up, who's a back with you? Who's a hold up, who's a look at you? Overall, I tell you what to do. The camera moving to get them. I stand up and I hear it close the road. Substance to me don't be not a use. Let's take this and then they not a choose. Moving on, but still you need a move. Can't be the only people. Moving on, Lord. You want to see energy? Watch this. They don't mind to the youth, cause it's not like the future depends on it. Say the animals in the zoo, cause the chimpanzee them a make big money. This is how they be the villages, on TV the picture is savages and villages, and the scientists still can't explain the pyramids. Evangelists making a living on the videos of ribs of the little kids, stereotyping the image of the images. This is what the image is. By a khaki pants and all of a sudden you will say Indiana Jones. And I keep out the gold, keep out the scrolls, even the very phones. The worst paparazzi I ever see and I ever known. With the worst on display so the world can see and the star level ever show. So the ones in the west will never move east and feel there could be a home. Get tricked by the beast but the way they bugger flee when the monster is fully grown. Salamanic lineage when the kill can defeat and them could have never clone. My spiritual DNA that printed my soul I will forever own. Look at his Are we born not knowing? Are we born knowing all? Are we growing wiser? Are we just growing tall? Can they read thoughts? Can they read palms? Predict the future. See storms coming. The earth was flat. If you went too far, you would fall off. Now the earth is round. If the shape change again, everybody would have start laugh. The average man can't prove up most of the things that he chooses to speak of. And still won't research and find out the root of the truth that you seek of. Scholars teach in universities and claim that they're smart and cunning. Tell and find a through when we sneeze. That's when their nose start running. The rich get stitched up when we get cut. Man, I heal them broken bones in the bush with wet mud. Hey, can you read signs? Can you read stars? Can you make peace? Can you fight wars? Can you build cows? Even though you drive cars? Can you survive against all the odds? Did you know that I exist before the earth? And did you know my eyes are? Boy, did you know you can't go as higher than a wheelchair curve? Can't tell the voice of the birds. Your body's just a vehicle transporting your soul. What's inside of people is beauty to behold. They're not a vehicle. Every day my flesh is roll. Changes all the time. And it's written. Cause life is one big road stretching miles on top of my head. No blessed be the soul that always remain a child. Most people don't even smile. There's a natural mystic is blowing through the air. And keep it realistic, please always be aware. Truth is crying out and it's so loud and so clear. Most people there. Spiritual pollution complete the atmosphere. With so much confusion, can one be happy here? The gift of God Almighty is a right man to share. Some would rather to be so unfair. And it's written up in that book. I and I shall Please, don't let them change you. No. Or even rearrange you. We've got one life to live. Make sure there's no wrong kind of bending. So things are looking splendid. All of the goodies that the peanuts blending. And you ever see the message you extended? It's just a bar right independent. When it is no hope, it can kill you. That's what you gotta hope it can be. Think about it, we are more than stinky. One was the body, see like Vicky. Buildings need expanding to keep this supply with the fans demanding. Big cops in the microphone commanding. And they'll be no fair and saladin and so. Do this, need it, please not do it, the key. You're Miller, everybody. Get up, get up, get up, get up now. Get up, 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 get up. You say, God, we've been, you've been, sit down too long. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Could you be? this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy, and police way abuse them authority. In a crowd when no more variety. The youngest record when I go start a them slow. I'm a bubble send up from the bush bungalow. The watching they got here on my face no Figaro. Perch up the dragons with a big blood and glow. I'm a devil some spectator get low. Why could I think like my fan Figaro? But snatching a big and chicken and chicken toe. Do one way we must have been a stereo cause we've got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. We got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. Yeah, oh, it's clean up your meditation, without a doubt. Don't let them take you like food and took out. Now we'll be waiting there, we are short. Now we'll be waiting there. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and goodness and jealousy, and police will abuse them authority. Me the town when I no more variety. Single parents I need some charity. You need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. By any plan and any mean and any. Hey, we got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. Good God, He knows. We got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. It's clean and pure meditation without another law. Don't make them take you like who them took the law. Shall we be waiting there? We are shalala. Shall we be waiting there? In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy, and police will abuse them authority. In a crowd when I know what be your best with your brother go start on them slow. Be not set to come from the bush bungalow. No matter they got their road by my snow. Figaro, 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 Figaro. Hey, perch on the darkness with their deployed that glow. I'm a them a summer spectator get low. Why would I think like a man Figaro? We sing, got to keep on walking on the road. Good God, we got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. Well, the road to Zion is full of trials and tribulations, you know. Always keep your head up, keep the fire burning. Milan, one more time, sing with us. The road to Zion. We've got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. On the road to Zion, man. We've got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. On the road to Zion, man.
Keep on walking. Yes.
Got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. On the road to Zion, man. We got to keep on walking. God bless you.
Yes, yes, yes.
them spots. Let's who carry guns a lot too. Hey, the land man stop laugh and laugh after it. Then we land pop up and start laughing. With the people love, Italy trapping. Police are mean and cheap on them. Some say them a playboy rabbit. Babylonian get trapped like a rabbit. They no matter post up if you know now. Rastafari stands alone. Welcome to Jamrock. Is that what really want to do? He's welcome you to Jamrock. Let me hear you. Welcome to Jamrock. Poor people are dead and random. Political violence can't stop. A boss and phantom. The boy will get blind by stardom. The king of all kings. Well, one, two. Milan. Where you know what they do with with? Them soon of it with. The win election, them trick with. And don't do nothing at all. Come on, let's face it. I get to education basic. And most of the youths, them waste it. When they waste it, that's when they pick up and replace it. And that's why little boy have some mathematic. In the extra magazine in a them back pocket. And I'm in tonight time in a so black jacket. In them black glass in them up. You walk up around like. And then around the road the fish bag come stocking. And from now till a morning don't stop clocking. If they don't know around. Well, it's how they really wanna do. He's welcome you to Jamrock. East Coast, West Coast, right? And welcome to Jamrock. Outside, Southside. Take it outside, Cherry. So welcome to Jamrock. Hear me now, star. Well, I need them to now go me sell up, come in, nothing. Who don't know me problem, singing me, and they make up on it. Nothing who can come this into. Now one of them, I'm putting in the hard work. Someone who knows has the way as I'm money making them work. I'm putting in the hard work. That's why I stop paying alone Frenchman. Is a DJ singing well down to earth. This a no show of exam or exam. It's the way they do them, baby, them.